Oh shit.
Punch back! Don't let him hit you! Go, go,
Oh, what the fuck are you doing?
go, go, go!
Can I have some?
Go. Get the fuck out of here.
You stuck up, bitch.
Boring!
Stop endangering yourself! Stop endangering yourself!
I'd say they were just right for harvesting, wouldn't you?
Most certainly.